Blood orange loudmouth is done, so we're going to get a sample on that. The carbonation is probably right on the money. Not much of a head. The blood orange loudmouth. There's the color. She looks good. So we'll get back to you once we get a sample on that. Why wouldn't I? Time to get a sample on the loudmouth. The blood orange that we brewed. We'll take it outside and we'll get a taste test on this. Why wouldn't I? There's the head. Let's get this outside and get a taste on it. Okay, so on the loudmouth, it was a blood orange brew that we made here. It was an overnight mash. I can read off the grains here. It was 8 pounds at a 2-row, a pound of 6-row, 1.5 pounds of red wheat, some special B 8 ounces, Pilsner, 2 pounds, and some Carapils. BE 256 yeast. We had Warrior for the initial bittering, which you'll taste here in the beer. I know I will. Mosaic, 40 minutes in, and then Citra in the last 20 minutes. We did a 90-minute boil. And what else can I say about it? She came in at 1050 pre-boil, finished at 1065, and she came in at, I think that equals out to be 6.2. Of course, it's not written on my sheet here. You do the math out there. 1065 to 10. Well, where's my finishing? And write down the finishing thing here. How nice is that? Someplace we did, though. I know we did. It was 6.2%. I don't know why the wife didn't write it down here. Yep. It's not written down. So we'll blame it on her. But we know it's 6.2% someplace in there. So the head has faded away. Clarity's got a little chill haze to it. As normal. The smell is very citrusy. What's the percentage? Where's the finish? She's trying to show me what it finished at. So there you go. Let's get a taste test on it. It's very citrusy. I know it's going to taste these Warrior hops, so. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. You know, a little peppery flavor. That's from the Warrior hops. That's the bittering hop. Then the blood orange comes in later at the back end. I've made so many blood oranges. I've changed the recipe so many times, and I keep notes. That's why I keep notes besides writing down the important stuff. But I do know from memory it was 6.2% at the end there. But she's got a peppery flavor, which is going to be the Warrior hops. You can almost taste the alcohol at 6.2%. It's not being hidden by the blood orange, Bittner's blood orange this time, which is not written down either. But it was a BE 256 yeast. It's a Abbey style yeast. This is a little peppery. You get a little peppery flavor out of it. So I don't know what to say more besides that. It's a nice beer on a hot day. Oh yeah. I wouldn't chug them. That's for sure. So we're going to be brewing an IPA shortly, and it's going to be going to have a lot of hops in that one when we finally brew it. So I guess I'll end this one with a Proust on the taste test. I don't know when this video will come up there. I got so many projects going right now. So until next time on the blood orange, I think I'll go back to the original yeast, which was SO5, USO5. It's got a better taste. It goes along with the Warrior hops a little bit better than that. And I might remove the Warrior hops right from the get-go from the bittering hop and go back to Cascade or Centennial hop. I'll check my sheet, but I did want it a little flavory this time, so We'll see what happens with the next time I make one of these. So until next time, sample pouring of the blood orange tasting after 3 weeks to see if she's gotten any better in taste and see if we like it now or not. Oops, I just spilled a little bit. That's big enough glass for me. Why wouldn't it be? Got some nice carbonation, about a one finger head, and looks like it's growing. So we'll take this over into my seat and we'll give a final resulted sample on this one. Okay, week 3 after being in a keg. The lighting in here isn't that good. Is a dark orange, orangish red. The head is faded. The lacing is still awesome. It's right on the money. This is the third tasting, the third week, to see if it's improved. We didn't like it on the first week. We didn't like it. The second week it got a little bit better. Let's see if it's any better now. I'll wait a second or two. The peppery flavor has faded off, and you get a little bit of a clove taste now. I don't know why I'd get clove. The blood orange is still there up front this time. Still not my best. I'm going to go back to the original recipe. I use the USO 5 yeast. It comes to be a better beer and more Pilsner yeast or malt. It's better to use more Pilsner on that. I know my recipes, I got them written down there. So yeah, it's not too bad. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this one, I'll give it a 4. It's not the best, and it's not the worst. So until next time, if there is, I just brewed IPA, so we'll see how that comes out. Until next time on the blood orange, we'll do it differently next time. So until next time, Proust. How you doing? We'll finish this beer and then, who knows, fall asleep maybe, because they're at 6.2%.